Welcome, today I'm with HUAWEI Nova 8i and I'll show you how to create a home screen folders. So just press with your finger on the application and drag it to another application. If you want to add one more application to your folder, just repeat the action by this way. And now here's in this folder of the application. If you want to add by the second way the application in your folder, just tap here on the folder and you'll see here the plus, tap on that, and now you can click on the checkbox and you'll choose and select the application what you want to add to your folder. And now you can see that you got here 9 applications. If you want, you can rename your folder, just here tap to the name and now, for example, type apps. So as can you see, the name has changed. If you want to move this app, this folder between the screens, just press for a while on the folder and drag it to the another screen. If you want, you can just take it back by the same way. So if you want to remove application from this app, just press for a while to the application and by this way you can remove all the apps, for example, for this folder. So that's it. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.